So, yeah, well, my fingers are smelling. So Jolina wanted to eat the shrimps very badly, and we came to the. Where we came, Jolina? We came to the Valencia, right?
Valencia River.
Yeah.
To make our shrimp here.
We're gonna make some shrimps on the fire.
Shrimp.
Yeah, we got all the shrimps. She's already preparing. Yeah. So let's see how does it go. Then, well, my fingers are smelling. Maybe it's the circle. Ooh la la.
Smoking.
You like the smoke, huh? No mosquitoes.
I don't like smoke. Make me cry.
Jolina, how much is 1 kilo of the shrimp?
350.
7 USD. Are you hungry?
Very hungry.
I can see that on your face. You're hungry.
Hungry. I'm very hungry.
Oh la la. Yeah, local people came here to take a bath, take a shower. Yeah, sometimes they even wash the clothes on this river. Yeah, it's so annoying actually. What is that?
A garlic.
A garlic. What are you gonna do with the garlic?
Cook with the shrimp.
Huh?
Put it in the shrimp.
No, you're gonna put that in the butter.
Yeah, the butter.
What's
It will
wrong
be
with
like. It will be like. Garlic butter shrimp. Garlic butter shrimp.
Seems like Jolina is so hungry that her brain is not working at all. He's like so tunnel focused on making the food, so he can eat food very soon. Yeah. It's okay, It's okay,
It's garlic shrimp.
Yeah. Our circle is coming also slowly. Damn, I put 2 bags in there, and I have like 3 bags left. 1 bag is 20 pesos. 20 pesos is 0.30 USD. Yeah. I don't even know if I'm gonna put more bags there, because shrimp is cooking so fast. But let's see. Yeah, we wanna make the pot also hot to melt the butter and cook the garlic a little bit.
Let me get the.
Then I will go put the pot on the fire, make it hot, preheat it.
Perfect.
Yeah, I think you have to take it off.
Huh?
You have to take the pot off.
And put the butter.
Yeah, otherwise it will
Burn.
burn. Yeah. It's quite hot already.
Ooh la la.
Oh, it's so hot already.
Yeah.
Damn, your hands are so dirty.
It's the paprika. Sakura.
You can put the garlic also right away. Oh yeah. Good job.
Oh yeah. It'll be yummy.
Very yummy. I will come suffer with you on the smoke. Oh my god.
I'll make you cry.
Yeah, I cannot. Jolina is much braver than I am. Are you? Are you much braver than I am?
Yeah, sometimes. Damn.
Very nice. I think we can start preparing the rest also. We can start putting that. We bought this. It cost 48 pesos. 48 pesos is this much. Yeah. So, okay, let's see. What do you think, guys? Is it ready?
Yeah, almost.
It looks very nice. Ooh, so hot, smoky.
Oh yeah, perfect. Perfect.
And we're gonna use the pot, right?
Yeah, the pot
Yeah.
to mix the shrimp, put all the shrimp there.
Let's take the time also. Let's take time.
Is
So-
it 4 minutes or 3 minutes?
2 minutes, one side.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a little bit longer.
Yeah, a little bit.
1 more minute.
The bug went in guys.
I don't know how long you guys hold the shrimps when you're doing the shrimp. I heard it was like 2 and 3 minutes, 2.5 minutes. But it depends how hot the grill is also.
I smell the shrimp.
You smell the shrimp?
Smells so good.
Hungry animal. When was the last time we ate the shrimp?
Last year.
Last year?
Yeah, it was a long time ago. It was August.
So right now it's July, August, September. Oh wow, it's almost like a year. Yeah,
Yeah,
11
very long
months.
time. Damn, the fire's hot. So hot. So hot in my hand. I can't wait to eat. I'm hungry.
Yeah, me
I'm
too.
hungry.
Me too.
Is it ready?
No. Let's see. I heard like it will be the perfect. It will be the perfect hot mess if you can hold your hand. Like if you cannot hold your hand longer than 3 seconds. 1, 2, ooh la la. So it's perfect. Like not less than 3 seconds and not longer than 3 seconds. Then it will be perfect. So right now it seems like it's perfect. Maybe we put the pot also, make it pot hot again.
Yeah, yeah, we can.
I think we can take it off now. Where we put the shrimp?
Put it there. Do that.
Okay. Almost done now. Do you think you can eat all of it for yourself?
Me?
Do you think you can eat all of
Yeah,
it?
I love shrimp. Yeah, can eat all of it.
So let's see how much you can eat. I know the hungry people, they are exaggerating. When you go to the store, they want to buy lots of stuff and they think they can eat everything, but let's see. Actually, it's not that much.
No, it's not.
Yeah, I think we
It's
got
very
scammed or
little.
what?
Very little shrimp.
Yeah, very little, only a few. So here's your chopstick. Or you want to wash your hands also before?
No, I don't need to.
So we'll just get into that.
I'm not
Here you
gonna
go.
hold the shrimp.
Eat
Oh
lang.
yeah,
That's a perfect spot.
a table.
Yeah. So let's eat. Let's see how does the taste. Oh wow. That's perfect. Chicken perfect that we made last time.
Wow,
So nice.
that's so perfect. It's so good.
Yeah. Then, guys, you can't imagine how good it is. It's so good. And then it's so healthy.
Yeah.
And the butter is bad, but then it's so good. 3 left. How many you will eat?
Give me one.
Take the big one.
No, it's a big one. Give me garlic.
Oh yeah. Guys, you just can't imagine how nice it is. Damn.
It's the best shrimp.
Oh wow. Amazing. I think we will just pack now and we will go to the store, right? We'll go home. We're gonna make more food.
Yeah.
We're gonna make macaroni. Yeah. Or we're gonna take the people to the store also.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to the big store. Let's buy some food. Guys, I will hope that there's no music. If there's music,
Yeah.
we're gonna use the thing. But in Robinson, they always have some kind of like event.
Event?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, it's so annoying. Like I have to speak so loud right now, and even when we walk with the Cholina, like We have to basically yell to each other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's so loud. Noisy.
Yeah. Them have been in the store like 2 years, basically every day. And there's been only like 2 days when they didn't have the event here, and then it was so nice. Can you even hear me when I'm talking?
Very little.
Yeah, it's just so loud all the time. It's crazy. Do you think the guards will let us to the store?
Yeah, I think so.
They have to. Yes, ma'am. Try us.
Yes,
try our...
ma'am. I'll get the basket.
Okay, so what are we gonna make? We're gonna
Macaroni.
do macaroni. What do we need? We need...
Macaroni. You need onions with it.
Oh yeah, we need
Onion,
onion.
garlic.
We have no garlic, I don't need. So let's get some onion. Are you gonna grab one onion from me?
Is this enough?
Yeah, that's a great one.
Perfect onion.
Yeah.
What about garlic?
No, we don't need garlic. Let's just go measure it.
Yeah.
Mainapuun. Guys are very quiet today. Maybe they're a little bit camera shy. Usually they talk much.
Not today.
Not today. Camera shy. But it's okay. Then. We all been there.
Look at this. You have nice mushroom.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Do we need to buy egg also? Or are we gonna buy it from our store?
Let's buy egg here.
Okay, let's get the egg here. Parsley. Excuse us. Thank you.
I'm sorry. Can we put cheese on it? Can we put cheese on it?
No. No cheese. No cheese. I will have pimples if I eat cheese. I would like to have cheese in the macaroni, but I will have
Yeah, it
pimples.
would be so good.
Are we gonna take the oil also? Are we gonna take the oil also?
We don't have that. Let's take. Where's it? Where's
Let's take the oil also.
Where's our oil?
Our oil.
The
What is
coconut
our
oil.
Yeah, coconut
Did
oil.
you see?
No, I don't see.
Yeah, they don't have coconut oil today.
No, it's okay then. We will buy from the store.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, we only use the coconut oil because it's much more healthier.
It's healthier.
Yeah, Selena.
Should we get salt? We don't have
Yeah, of
salt.
course. Selena likes to fry the things like the meat. I don't know. She just puts so much oil in the stuff in the food. It's just crazy.
Oh,
It's better
should
to
we
use
get this
coconut oil.
small one? Is it that? No, this is not the one.
You know what you should buy?
Here.
You should buy the thing
Here.
also.
What thing? Yeah, maybe that.
Do they have it over
There.
here?
To put the salt.
Yeah, what is this? Is that salt?
Oh yeah.
Non-sweet? No, it's not. That's not
For
salt.
sure they have salt.
Yeah, I saw it here before, but
Yeah, I saw also before they have salt.
it's okay. Next time. Let's just get our stuff and be moving.
What about the black pepper?
We have a
We'll
little
get
bit.
next time.
We have a little bit. So let's take macaroni. I think that's the one that I bought last time.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, you bought the small one.
Yeah. So what
Let's
else?
get the.
Hot dog.
I'll put mine. Aray ko.
You will put
A
what?
mayo instead of the ketchup. I'll put the mayo on it.
You want that mayo?
Not the sweet one. This one. This one.
Okay, and now we need hot dog, right?
Huh?
Last time I took 6. Should we take today more? Or it was okay? I think it was perfect.
Yeah, I think it's okay.
Okay.
It was 6.
Yeah, let's take 6.
Did you take the small one, the big one?
No, I took the bigger one.
The one?
No, this. Pineapple.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I am.
Lager, sir?
Yeah. Is that all right?
Yeah.
You have the ketchup.
You have the
Do you
ketchup.
smell it? Do you smell it also? Yeah, smell me.
What's your channel, sir?
I will show you.
Sir?
Show you
Smoke,
now.
smoke. This was smoke.
This one.
Real life traveler.
Yeah, okay.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Okay. Thank you. You will
Is that-
subscribe. Okay, thank you.
Is that all?
I think so. Let's buy something to drink also.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
Donkey.
Where's your hand? Oh, we need toilet paper also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good thing you remember. Let's buy
Let's take the water first.
Let's take.
They don't have. Let's just take regular water.
Yeah. Take that. Let's just get the small one.
Yeah. Let's get this one. And now we're gonna take the toilet paper, right?
Toilet paper. Should we get the thing here? Should we get the bygone?
Sorry?
Bygone.
What's
It's
that?
the tissues there. For the mosquito. Yeah, let's get for the mosquito.
Sorry?
For the mosquito.
Oh, for the mosquito. Did you drink?
No, because I want to pee later.
Wait, then you drink.
Should we get this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's take this one.
That's too big. I don't want to get rid of that. Let's take the small one. This one.
Here. The 12. Is that the 12 pieces?
Yeah, it's the same.
Yeah, let's get this one. The mosquito is here.
For the mosquitoes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because we have lots of. I think it's here.
Do you see? But our store is not selling that, right?
No, they don't.
Do you see it? What did you find it? Seems like they don't have it.
Yeah, people use it.
No, it's okay. We will buy from other store. We will buy it on the road when we're going home.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah. I think so, yeah. So let's go by and let's get home. It's 3 p.m. already. It's 3 p.m.
3?
Yeah.
Come here. Come here. Where are you going?
Sorry. You wanna buy chips? What's that? Sugar biscuits.
Crispy man.
Look, I so many foreigners. That's inspiration. So many.
Let's go there in the basket.
Where?
There. It's not much there.
You mean on the first one?
Or here. What about
No, let's go there at the first. Ooh la la. You got the guarda. Do you have money for the parking guy? So basically, if you will park the scooter outside of the building,
Huh?
you gotta pay for the parking guy outside.
Yeah.
Usually they pay like 5 pesos. Sometimes it's like so annoying. Just, I don't know. Anyway, it doesn't matter. All what matters is you gotta pay.
Let me carry the thing.
You wanna carry something?
This one.
You wanna carry the toilet paper?
So I'm safe.
Yeah. So guys, I don't know. I don't think we will take you to our house. Let's have a little bit of privacy. Yeah, sorry, maybe next time. So guys, thank you so much for watching and all of your support. Guys, you help us so much. And yeah, as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.